Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Does anybody else have these holes? Because I stretch the shit out of my shirts when I'm wearing long sleeves. I go like that all the time. Like, no? Just me? Okay. Today we're going to be reviewing a whole brand new bunch. We're going to be trying a whole new... I'm about to like myself. So today we are going to be reviewing a bunch of brand new e.l.f. makeup. So I got a few comments where you guys asked me if I can review the new e.l.f. makeup that's coming out, and bitch, I got you. I got the foundation, I got the primer, got these these are the brightening concealers. And then I got the Beachy blushes. I love e.l.f. products. e.l.f. products have been like my go-to. I remember when e.l.f. used to be like the cheap brand from Walmart that nobody wanted to buy, and now everyone's freaking buying it. Like, even though they were $1, their brushes used to shed like crazy, but I always ended up buying their products because, you know, they were great at the time, and now they're just, you know, making them even better. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and try out this brand new makeup. I'm so excited, especially for the foundation, because I've heard amazing things. So we're just gonna get right into the video. By the way, we are going to take a moment of silence and thank my freaking boyfriend. He took me to Ulta the other day, and he was like, you know what, pick out whatever you want. And you know, homegirl did pick out everything and anything that I wanted. No budget, yes. This goes out to my man. But anyways guys, let's just get right into the video, because I'm gonna be talking a whole lot today because I haven't seen you guys and I kind of miss you guys. So let's just get right into the video. One thing that I do want to mention that is not makeup related is this right here. This is the e.l.f. Mint Melt Minty Fresh Cooling Cleanser. I actually really like this for the mornings. You know, it does feel minty, very cooling to the skin. I love using it in the morning because it's been waking my skin up every freaking morning. I don't use this at night. I only use it in the morning to, like, you know, wake up in the morning, because I do wake up so early for work. But I actually really like this. For today we're gonna be using this e.l.f. Mint Melt, why do I keep wanting to say milk makeup, but this is the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. So I went to pick up all this stuff at Ulta, and tell me why the day my boyfriend tells me, I want to take you on a shopping spree. So I was like, okay. So we went to Ulta, and as I was getting ready to like go to the register, like the power goes out at freaking Ulta. I was telling my boyfriend, like, what are the freaking odds I have a full basket the day you tell me that you're gonna take me shopping for brand new makeup is the day that the power goes out at Ulta? The universe was playing me that day. I was like, bitch, do not do this today. Oh, it smells so good. I actually really like that. Oh, it is a jelly-like consistency. It feels tacky to, like, I don't know if you can see that. It's very tacky, which I love. You know, it's gonna grip amazing to the foundation. So you guys have been wanting me to try this out. This is the Camel CC cream from e.l.f. This is the new foundation. It looks like this. This is supposed to be the dupe for the IT Cosmetics. As you guys know, you guys probably have seen so many reviews, or you guys probably have this foundation already, and if so, don't judge me for barely trying it out. So finally I got my hands on it. I did get the shade medium 310 and light 280, just because I don't know which shade I'm gonna be. So I really like that it has a pump. This is supposed to be full coverage natural finish foundation with the SPF of 30. Love. Okay, I think this is gonna work out. Yeah, I think I actually did get like my shade. But holy smokes, this foundation is looking amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a foundation brush on this side of my face, and Oh, I think I put way too much. Okay, it actually went out really, really well. I do gotta say that it's a little bit more coverage on the side with the brush, although we all know that the beauty sponges always pick up a little bit more of your product. So I mean, I actually prefer it with, it's more smoother with the sponge, but it actually goes more full coverage with the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This is the Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. I did get the shade Medium Brown. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. So I'm gonna be trying out these right here. These are the Flawless Brightening Concealers. These are again from e.l.f. I got the shade Light 26 and Fair 15. They are, and they're clickable. Imagine it go poof. Okay, so, ooh, that is very light. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and see how it goes. I'm hoping this is a lot better than their like camel concealers, because that is my favorite. I did get a concealer as well. This is a hydrating concealer. You guys recommended a hydrating concealer because I always go in with the original. And I don't know if this is supposed to be a full coverage concealer. It just says it's a brightening concealer. So it says luminosity is a click away. Create a brightened flawless complexion with a flick of a pen. Uses buildable brightening concealer to highlight all over the face. So this is actually more like of a highlighting concealer. It's just to brighten up the parts of your face that you want lightened. So for me, it'll be a little bit my forehead and my chin, and a little bit the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. So if you don't like your nose, you're obviously not going to highlight or brighten your nose. You can just go ahead and skip that part, but for me it's like eh. So I'm going to take this setting powder from e.l.f. This is the Soft Luminous powder. I do love how it sets the concealer, and I do like how it sets everything else. So for me, I actually really do like the setting powder. I'm gonna go on to eyeshadow, and I did get a couple palettes because they didn't have a lot of like the mint ones. I did get these right here. This is the Bite Size eyeshadow in Truffle, which I'm freaking sad because if you guys can see this, it freaking broke. Which these are not new, I know, but they didn't have a lot, like I said, of the new eyeshadows. So I did get these, which I think we can create like a really cute soft Valentine's Day look. I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here, this color, this purpley wine shadow right there. It just looks amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this brownish shade right there, and again, this is from the Sunset palette. Just gonna get rid of the harsh lines now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just gonna take this hydrating concealer. I'm gonna take a little bit just in the back of my hand. Okay, so I just cut my crease, but I kind of want to go in with this. This is the Smudge Pot and Wine Knot by e.l.f. and I think it's gonna go really cute with this color. So if you guys can see, it's like a plummy wine dusty tone right there. I kind of want to put that all over the crease. So I have these e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows, which I think I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Flirty Bird and just, you know, apply it over the top. I know. So I wasn't able to get any lashes from e.l.f., but I'm going to get these, which are the next affordable lashes that I have. So these are the AOA Studio 3D Faux Mink Natural Lashes. These are in the style Harper, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that these are... Should I even do it? These are so bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the other eye off camera, apply some falsies, and yeah, why do I feel like I'm missing steps? I'm gonna go ahead and be right back to show you guys the rest of the face. So I literally just, you know, applied some falsies, did the other eye off camera. This is what I have going on, and I think it's like a really pretty, glittery, romantic look for like Valentine's Day, or so I think. By the way, I forgot to mention that I did get this Lash It Out volumizing mascara. Where is that? It's right here from e.l.f. as well. Because I haven't tried this mascara, it's actually really bomb AF. I really like the wand that it has, but it's like big and like thick, and it picks up your lashes really well. So I really do like this mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and apply, like, you know, finish off the eyes real quick. I'm gonna grab this gold one. I kind of want like to have the little gold moment in the inner corner. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this black from this, ooh, from that little palette. So this is the e.l.f. bronzer right here. This is not new, this is kind of old, but I still love it to this day. Holy sh! I'm gonna go ahead and move on to blushes. Now I got these two right here. These are the new Putty blushes. I got the shade Bora Bora and I got the shade Tahiti. I really wanted the shade, I think it's called Santorini, but they only had these two right here. I think that's what it's called. I could be wrong. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this rosy pinkish one. I think it'll look really good with this eye look. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Okay, as intense as this blush is, like, the color is not that bad. Ooh, I really like these blushes. Now we're moving on to lips. So I have this lip lacquer. This is a matte lip lacquer. It's in the shade Blitz, Berry Blitz. However, I don't think I'm gonna wear it because it kind of clashes, like I said, with the look that I have, but that is so beautiful. So then I have this lip crayon in the shade Praline or Praline, however you say that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. This is the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. This is in the shade A Hint of Mint. So I'm actually gonna go through the products real quick just because, you know, just to show you guys. So the blushes, you guys, I love. Like, the freaking blush is amazing. I really enjoyed this primer. This is the cooling face primer. I really do enjoy that it has like a cooling sensation to the face. I did love that. If you can make this, e.l.f., if you already have it, my bad, but if you don't have this in like a facial moisturizer foundations, which if you guys saw, I did not open this one, so I don't know if I should return it or should I keep it for like when I'm tanner in the summer. Don't know. But the CC cream, I don't know why I like it. However, like, I like it, but I was expecting more from it. It does have a lot of coverage, more than my IT Cosmetics one, but it looks good. It's a CC cream, not a full coverage foundation, but even though it states it is a full coverage natural finish, I do have to say, yes, bitch, it is a natural finish, but I do have to say that it's a lot better than my IT Cosmetics. By the way, the mascara is actually really bomb. I didn't try it out by itself because, as you guys know, I am wearing falsies, and this wand, like, it's big and fat. Like, whatever it is that I want in a mascara, it's on there. So I'm actually really intrigued to try it out when I'm not wearing falsies. So this is actually really good. I actually really like it. I'm so surprised that I actually really like a lot of things that I tried out in this video. I think I would have to pass on these. If you guys are interested in like a highlighting effect, this would actually be perfect for you guys. I think I would have to skip on this just because I thought that it would give me like, you know, concealer vibes. I probably will wear these more in the summer because that's when I want like a more highlighted effect, but to be using it in my everyday makeup routine, probably not. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, so if you guys want to get notified, don't forget to hit that bell button before you guys get out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.